Suddenly, everyone is talking about tariffs. Sure, it sounds like some obscure tax thing, but tariffs can majorly impact your day-to-day life. In this video, we're breaking down tariffs, explaining how they work, and why they matter when it comes to your hard-earned money. This is where politics and your pocket meet. Donald Trump calls tariffs
A beautiful word in the dictionary.
and has promised lots of them. However, tariffs can make everything way more expensive for the average person, or they can protect jobs in your town. Sounds important, right? Let's jump in and uncover what tariffs are all about and what is coming our way. All right, let's get to the basics. A tariff is simply a tax a government places on goods coming in from other countries. Think of it like a cover charge to bring stuff into the US. For example, let's say a company in China wants to sell t-shirts here. The US government can say, sure, but you'll have to pay us a bit extra for every t-shirt you bring in. That extra fee, that's the tariff. Why add this extra charge? Well, the goal is to make imported goods a bit pricier, so you're more likely to buy American-made products. Here's the twist: tariffs can backfire. They can drive up prices for consumers, aka you and me. Imagine you're buying a washing machine, and because of a tariff, the price just jumped by $100. Suddenly, that nice upgrade is a bigger hit to your wallet. And it doesn't stop there. Tariffs can apply to anything from steel to groceries. If companies pay more for these materials, guess what? They pass that cost along to us. Now, there's a job side to tariffs, too. Politicians say tariffs protect American jobs by helping US companies stay competitive. And sometimes, they're right. Tariffs can protect jobs. But tariffs often lead to what's called a trade war. Other countries hit back by adding their own tariffs on American products, which can hurt US industries that depend on selling goods overseas. Imagine you're a soybean farmer, and suddenly, your main buyer, like China, finds a cheaper option from Brazil. That's a tough hit. Are tariffs the heroes or the villains here? The answer is, it depends. Tariffs can save certain jobs and industries, but they can also raise costs and start trade battles. And often, it's us regular folks paying a bit more each time we shop. It's the US-based company importing goods to sell to US consumers who pays the tariff, not the foreign country selling the goods into the US. So it's really a tax on the American people.